Today we are doing the tail light on a Promaster. This is going to be if you have a running light, turn signal, or your reverse light, it's all in this. It's got to come off. I'm going to start off by taking this guy off, which is, I think, 8 screws. Comes off. Here's the panel on the other side. So you pop all of these screws off. I have it done on this side. So I pop the panel off, then you come in here, and this mount unclips. So that's the tab. Press that down, pull out. Then you have a screw here and a screw right here. Let's see if we can get that guy. So that guy comes undone. So I'm going to take this one down here. So that's the other one right there, this big silver bolt. This is what those 2 bolts look like. They thread into here and here. This is what the fixture looks like. We pop it. We got reverse light, brake light, I think, and turn signal there. So if you need to replace any of those, and then I think this is just a safety light there. But the way you take these out, all of these, you just rotate, and there's a little direction that says remove, turn that way. So you just turn. It takes a little bit of pressure. Then you pop this out. I'll put a link in the description for the bulb, but this bulb just pulls out. You pull the bulb out, replace it, push the new one in. I already put the bulb in there, so that's good to go. Then you push this down, turn it till kind of clicks into place. You'll feel a nice little pop, and that's how you do any of the bulbs on the back. They just pop out like that. Now let's throw this back in. So line it up with those bolt holes. With this headlight, there are no snaps. It just keep your hand on it till you get one of those bolts in. These guys, you don't have to make super tight. You can crank them on with the hand, or you can put a wrench over the top. I just crank them down with my hand, and that's good. All right, I got both bolts on and tight. Boom. Now we're going to plug in this guy, and when you plug this in, wait till it clicks, and there it is. You've just replaced a taillight on a Dodge Promaster. If this was helpful, subscribe. We'll see you next time.